Reaction is pouring in following a Florida judge's ruling on abortion.
Thursday, a circuit judge said that he will issue an emergency order blocking the state's ban on abortions after 15 weeks that took effect today. Western News political reporter Greg Fox explains what we can expect in the days ahead.
I'm enjoining this statute as of the date this order is signed.
That's what we heard from Circuit Judge John Cooper Thursday, that he would grant an emergency injunction to block Florida's ban on abortion after 15 weeks. Now we see in the court file his handwritten notes. Unconstitutional, violates rights of privacy in the Constitution. Statewide temporary injunction granted. Since the judge's order won't be filed until at least Tuesday, right now the only exceptions to the 15-week deadline to terminate a pregnancy is a threat to a woman's life or detection of a fetal abnormality. Republican Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has already promised an appeal.
It is confusing.
Democratic State Senator Linda Stewart is counting on clinics to help guide women making decisions about their pregnancies. She's also counting on the courts to restore the right to terminate up to 24 weeks.
They need to be able to make those decisions and carry through with what they want to do with their bodies and have nobody else interfere with it.
This one ends up at the Florida Supreme Court. It's just a question of when, in my view.
Republican State Representative Scott Plakin tells me he's not surprised the circuit judge ruled in favor of Planned Parenthood, the ACLU, and others. He voted for HB 5 and disagrees with prior court rulings that have included abortion among privacy rights protected under the state constitution since 1980.
Liberal courts that have not looked at it at the time when it was in the Constitution have construed that to create a right of privacy, in my view, out of thin air when it relates to abortion.
Still reeling from last week's U.S. Supreme Court ruling overturning Roe v. Wade, those supporting the lawsuit against the state's 15-week abortion ban fear further erosions of their rights. Greg Fox, WestG News.